little problem kakra with regard as blame no or person or the man team before say observe the protocols. But looking at some of the activities on Akasakai, so 1 month to the election or the activities of the politicians, ebe cost the though you rally there, but a lot of health work, a lot of debts near the organizing politicians, and Tibayan Kayan Shana observe the necessary protocols. But you're going to screen some videos about 104.5. Mobile show videos, the pictures, baby, Yatramono. And for the recent activities of politicians, if indeed you're around 300, I could do 170 something now. Who do you blame? But video name is screaming, Ayo Boise. Where your last week, Ayo Boise, help for Komukoye. I mean, look at the crowd. Would be on 104.5. Kwanakosha crowd, we are. The teeming crowd, Boise. Nebisa who say Niparudo say the nose mask and as a face mask. No, how the social distance na yaka 17 the neck for the can 17 and Mudo say no observe it. So say yarene kwasroa, who do we blame? These are political activities are Monkasa organizing the mo supporters. So this is Obuasi and Odia Konakusha Nipa Dodua a dimwa Obien was a nose mask. Obien was also social distancing. Where you Obuasi in the MPP ni NDC from some more peace walk. She Nipa Dodua just look at the Obien Kokoshebi. Nation Nipa Dodua na Musana na Obian say nose mask, Obian of the social distancing, and these are political activities. The other one of the this is MPP and the NDC or peace work organized over the weekend. I mean just and a woman then it's a president or blaming wine or blaming them for ma and I take care of my ancient nose mask and one person blaming no because the political activities are also the rallies, the debates, I can say, organizing them or Muninano. They don't observe the necessary protocols and the social distancing. It is sincerely, I don't entirely agree with the president. So blaming young citizens, I seem say Yama Yarani Koso. I will not agree with him because more activities are more here recently, no. And I'm Yarani Koso. I mean, let's look at the crowd. Where you Bantama health work. Look, I mean, just imagine. You could see only few ones in Penifon combination nose mask room. Put upon Cromana Money, Penifon Penum and Chamatina Money. Yeah, and who so much nose mask. I mean, you can see Bina, no social distance in the crowd. So, who do you blame? Anyway, but I been able to do but this weekend is a Mubakaya of I am upon Kabaha, ending Simbi to Efa, say, or Tessa and Kufado. Can be the first social distance and why into some Wakai.
In she riot fan. In she riot fan. Now, what's I can so Ghana you fight COVID? COVID didn't want to work. In she riot fan. In she riot fan.
Well, my fan chams your system na hijack about memma as of a gym bokore.
Tridiam pony madini.
Bibia guna kwanso kama. We can be a call kama.
And I make a say Yami on madini. Amamu nankasa awo Ibiasimu Hagana Hanona Enkoyi. But Yanko Pondie say I da sorry I can trema dabu mamu di more for Sunday.
Yadanyamias. I was a Jabia Boko.
Bonibian, a jana do what they are saying.
Yadanyamias.
I dare not say any year, Wabeka, any years of Wabeka. And who is our Nayano, Union and our bread. Ubia one Nayano. Union and our bread. Because on night, and no place what that. Sir, most of our was I could try a curtains. The demo was Rebecca Juma woman that would try a curtains. Bien Puman and I can't a high one tree. Is our better rooms are 10 years and others with them. And you know, and this is for the day.
Oh, so you are talking to the NDC?
I'm talking to them.
Oh, so Omuna and
you are only pretending.
Oh, okay.
What I say, now I made the say, one has a piece of cake. I know your Bayer Jumano said yes, and
Matibidin come here. Pass over few minutes, fine, Shananaku for the NRA. He addressed to the nation about the COVID-19, the rise. A cost of around 390 something to almost 1,100 and something is here. Yegusu Kosra. What didn't come? You didn't come.
Papa Medasi, my mencha on a T4, Namin DC for my Jebra Muti, Amojoso, a chef Manope. Papa. now we can't say we say omampani na nado eba covid fight in dia nka wabon ho modern but end round dey na wo ne nya adwene. For the records, me, I disagree. I beg to differ. Me, who more than Bobia and Nado when it comes to COVID fight.
Oh, what?
Number one, COVID fight buy. IMF work Sika at home. Your friend Rapid Credit Facility. You see, Maya, Sebi, on watch wow, Auha, Unyado Kroa, Unya Sika fan fighting COVID in Biabejibi. Nanado Akwaji $1 billion. Wakwakwadi emu $1 billion and ya 1 billion cedis, $1 billion US. Your stabilization fund, President Mahama and Professor Mills established here 2011 under Petroleum Revenue Management Act. Yeja over $200 million. Wakwadi permission or Nashibedum so the says Kokasa Sikam. On top of that, Yasako World Bank akwaji $100 million. Sasika we nyina me no kan ho asem no over 1.something billion US apapa me no kan ho asem no say ye wo kura na ye president a kade na na do ye ke bi kura be ya chensa sebi minua kuma bi o class 6 kura na ye president a kade na na do ye eno an obe ye sebi ye ni West African countries a free rent nyina ho ye ni ba bi a omo che aduane when COVID hitting countries, you know, omuche 5 kilos, edikla 25 kilos, rice, oil, and the sardine. What will be? Papa, what will be? Other countries, you know, Ghana, you far better than them. Meboa. Free water and free electricity, and the same thing across in neighboring countries. So, what has Nanado done? Exceptional. Yeah, no, why? And I'm maybe not make a say upon Chikwan presidents are brain as Sika we and one why. Then Nanado, and one obey. And one obey because the point is that Sika ye dia se Nanado say ekitabena da one name Sika said ye see you Sika. Nanado no be a favor. Sa 1 billion na ye kwaji wa IMF no we are going to pay back meboa.
Nancy if you decide some for monk of on way.
On for Mahaya on to decide because sa credit facility now kwaji no and she say down. Sika IMF worker and yes almost brabefa normal procedure mu beji bisi o so dey make what you say na wo kwaji a wo dey abekere dey obeye we you see a track for COVID fight and Sika no o kwaji e dey aba be COVID. I hope you get it and to ntimi kwaji mfa me dey ope countries adi yenua dey na na do ye no eno na mu replay meboa ebi mu kwa go beyond ye free rent. So that is the point I'm making. Nanado nye obia papa bia Sasika no okoji ya oji in the name of the people of Ghana. Sabisia na okoji ye no me kokosa foje mi NDC ni metua bi John Mahama o NDC pani obetua bi Samuel Ofosopo betua kani bi Papa Simbu betua bi Odike betua bi wo papa nyamika wo betua bi Bernardo di Sika kusia pia betua bi Paul betua bi ye na Ghana fo ne ba betua. So Nanado has not done anybody any favor. Sika ni free. On top of that, Nanado person who say why papa on the bank accounts. No ko yi musika. No ka say there. Mabokuma say me ami bottom sika me betemo ne hu say Nanado why ade o mo we dey Nanado ni fifira wa samle bra wa bre sika wa nya no de amagana fo. Na hu dira Ghana fo di mu ko bo besia ba. Ye de mbra to se fo sika ko Ghana fo na omo a COVID aba ye ho kire be ka omo fa ko mo omo a o se ye mbo abaso bo ben amen kan kire o papa John Mahama say sa IMF fo sika na ekoje Ghana fo nyina ye dim ne akoje sika no ye di sika ne ba ye se ye mfa me so ye sene abra COVID ba he say be president ka say lockdown we no prepare for lockdown we waduma e no man pani si wa lock you down lock you down no expect say dey na ka obedi enu lockdown nsunsanso ni sika sabi ka ko waduma ubenya ana wunya ena ma yakoje say sika do IMF e ma ne ko say sika do mama jato $200 million stabilization for offer ne sakoka enu ti na do mama se dey na do kure ye na say yankose abuo enti say yame ya dum ne eto abanema no a omo a sa $1 billion na yakoje ye na ye di akọ NDSSI a yeso amanfo obi atimi kobo besia se de be ya sika ye lockdown lose your nsa beka no se insire FM botimi de makoji bia jo mama se monyere mo honam ntoma no no obedi president a oni biaw
ti Mr. Kwesi Twum
ada na loan ya kwaje se betu
tie o say lockdown no wouldn't say lockdown mo advert kwa bebre
me away
na mo pe se mo be call lockdown who imposed the lockdown who created the laws who created the financial laws was it not the president's directive it is a wo bi ya na adwuma na ase ko tena fia na ne ho tire na who should pay it
aban betu se sika na
aban se John Mahama say say sika no se Kwesi Twum adibia o weni a free bontu what did you
ono aban betu se sika
o betua because ono na dey hardship ne betu Kwesi Twum so enya Kwesi Twum incompetence and man lose advert enya Tabe Bernard ni incompetence and man say dem wa man so on pa adwuma eye ono omampani na ka Bernard say dem ayo no amampani na ka multimedia for adwuma say enti satika no aye de samu no eye free bonto tom papa nyameke ti say Mr. Kwesi Twum kwaji dia when you fast no apply no kwaji wodi a okate workers ni nyina say montoma mama so ba ye free ti so ye dadini na undi dia me ba mewie u ye dadini na undi dia utie me a sika no ye fast kwaji waje so ye wa tuti Akufo-Addo Akufo-Addo so obesaje John Mahama say oba e free wa wonji bibia koje papa
a quick one on the protocol then the social distance of the
what am I by Ghana ye kanokre say this tie omampani na covid ba ye uko mra hye bedwam e na ukoye mra e ma utumi say obetimi lock ye down e ma utumi say obi kura bu covid protocols no so aye nche no and I'm so mauti asofo wo voter regime ma yede wo kotu mu na say na amnesty o say clemency nti ye yi omo what I say and ko mu tua fine of 12,000 meboa
sir
wo hu video bi a Bernard ai sister bi ti taxi ma anu po say ni nose mask edane ha
sunyane
na ye sino e de so wo acha ni nsam tuo sini so tigatam oba besia afredie edu say ono ni political party MPP ba be yo mo primary sa wasi ade wagum okaya na asofo bebrebe to abuofo kroma se e ba se na manyoku e preso bu ye dwumadi a mu hia nipa bebrede o mampani aseda ye nani se onfita e kroma onfita bia wo kroma onti obi case on fabo ganya swine e no mu be ye primary kroma ye nyina ne ye nitua meboa Keti Hamon ho adanse ko wo hu nipa Bantima wo hu nipa Subi wo hu nipa nipa board don pimebu protocol ne so ana wo mampani otiti asofo ne nkrofo wie no wo party for ye ya want me atwe o masunti na wo MPP abubu protocol so wo anche o mo a kwesi teye nipa teye papa nyameka na wo akoche no kwesi teye nipa teye Bernard odisika na wo akoche no kwesi teye nipa teye ye ma me mo didwa no akoche o mo and to Amampani fairly to deal with Abubu protocol. So when MPP here primaries, that was when he lost control. Because here NDC. Now your plan towards this campaign now was virtual. Well, you say because of COVID-19, to me 101.
Yeah.
But Amampani na set person, Edi ni pardon pimbebu hobubu so flat COVID no. I'm wabi.
And I'm also with the Muji.
Of course, now you are engaging the people, which is more effective. And to get the entrance here, your laptop so. Entrance here, your laptop so. See your laptop so, your laptop so. But say what yes from say oh your mampani to my party advantage. Obi transfer. This year, Mammy Abdu will be mono smash na buzan that day. Or say Akufo-Addo say COVID neko.
Oh.
What's Akufo-Addo to say echo?
Sano kind.
Sano catch them say or Canada be media minti what.
That's the anti Akufo-Addo.
I'm so making. Nam say I am so minti. What say crowd here? Unam plana won sha police for nya. Oh, say what you be our tax in club and shebi. Oh, a police for crowd no more. Obi an kan hwe. Say Akufo-Addo say echo. Oh, eto ma pani subane ni ya kwa ma Ghana phone bebrebe nya dim say yare ni ho. Amunya adwin bi say yare do kra ya za ye di peska na hwe the way omampani e batram de no e beba ho e de COVID no year politics and Bernard we dey misro say na ye program a wo betimi mema wo numbers bi you do an investigation wo confirm sa frontline workers ane omo be ye be mo musika be say obi enya COVID ni bi no e nessa e ye di sika say be ma no all those things has turned out to be lies, outright lies.
So are you saying say
hospital not to be precise, they were infected with COVID, they were never paid that amount of money. In fact, frontline workers are here to Musikano. Yeah, the politics, yeah, I'm picking or more, or fees or money are buying way yard. Then they submit their names for them to be paid. Makasa,
who cross check that?
More platform way, yes, big platform.
Yes,
Mobile rap for not here. The American Baba be dead.
Mamma was answer for you. I share 104.5 for Rasta for J or no a deputy communication officer at the National Democratic Congress NDC Washington region, and I'm watching the streaming live and so your official Facebook page 104.5 Okwawan Komedina wo Mediani Papa Nyamike the General on this beautiful Monday morning, still in the house here Kwasi the communications director at the new Patriotic Party MPP Washington region. Kwasi?
Yeah.
You didn't come on.
I'm watching now.
As I was listening.
Let's have a air conditioning box. What did you? What I said? It is one when you come in the bill. Who might not check it?
Had to no, it's unacceptable.
What is
no.
A beer.
Derby,
a criminal case.
No, Derby. No, Derby. I was Mr.
You see, don't do this.
Let's do a decent discussion. No, Derby, Mr. Yankoyen.
It is an old church sentences and Nakmakai. Among Yankoyen. Ebia no Yakob Nibia. Then carbon why? Example one no so yasema. When you be a dynamiasi. So when you be. I said then you come tintin so ya work as a dear. Who are there what they call baby or whatever. Eddie can imagine is a workers and this phone call baby or munshy. Mamma no be NCI. Oh, a clear case of the pot calling the cattle black. Omo kind of crack. It be an omo be the blame mano. Amu pobia kasa na nanado ba ya na nanado asema Kenya no pe be di nanado ase but enfiti mu enti me da bia me ka jega na fo nyina ne se mo mi antwa nkofo no mu kasa no and this for the mo mu pe ye ni wo mu de bia me ka me so mo ayese na nka no oro no we de no ne se bro no that's all enti o mo nya nkofo fofo bia no mu kasa che ne what I say o mo nya nkofo fofo bia no mu kasa de che ne na mo ya de ebusa na yire wai ne ma nso wai do ma ma ire ne ma wai ana ko to aba o me pa me kama say
no I mean Debbie don't go personal. I mean no because you should not too trivial that kind of I mean
baba me take exception ma me can some nfanto anu prempren sa west no me pe and we trivia we
no but I mean
we are calling people to come out and if a friend for Babon train and this for the two page o dey in to so no mahama ko for no mo na mabonte I don't know what you say workers na na do buy and we call it out and then nipa na ba
why do you have to personalize it?
Oh man friend personalize it there me say jo mama na ire way on friend ye no ma no majamu bi o ye no man nyina te Dubai and I will tell now.
Please don't. Let's analyze the issue. Let's discuss the issue. So, I mean, let's don't. I mean, because I don't think it's no. Let's discuss the issue dispassionate.
Who determines what they dispassionate?
No, but I mean to go to that. I don't. I mean the issue they discuss. Let's discuss the issue.
We say on the dictating place for them now.
No, but you didn't want one personalized. One
personalized bibi ha. I don't know how we say.
Yanko yeni.
Me say ne yene ne man why. What you say work say ne what say no na ban ne ban. What you say no dem na joma ma ya mawa. What you dey bia betrans na wo bo aban ne ti so. Ono wo pese o ye yie no. Ono ko fe ne yene ne man mra. No mo di na chi. Omu kan won ne hu say wo bu nyina te Ghana ha. What I say? What would you have to Dubai no enjoy? Now watch the studio. I no pay bia no buy. Won't pay papa. Oh, baby paint picture. We say Ghana nye papa. Ghana nye papa. The man mra mubi. ne nyina ye hu se Ghana no ne de ko what I say won ko fa ne ye no so mra ne hu se Ghana ne de ko na wa hare wa ye fa in Ghana e jere mum ye hu na fe ye nya ho adwuma na ye kasa no ye kan ama Ghana fo nya ta se ye nyina ne ye hwe kwan be fa so na etimi aboa e ho ban political season esi ni part be babon train ni part be share no ade nyina ne say we continue to appeal to people's conscience obi anhwe no hwe no ye menyi ni say president kasa o kasa ye oblemu obi a ade o kan nyina say hwe ho ye yan koso an ye mo e mask no political season naba na mo me hwe say continuously no ye be make sure say mask no ne ade no ye menyi say no wansem na no kan ye wa me kan just oblemu papa nyam kan oblemu kwazi chei ana oblemu Ghana for he don't blame anybody yan no say hwe ho ye bottom line ni no enti ye hwe ho ya wo sorry ya wo ase wa kwa ko wura ba bia wo protect ho enti ye kasanche nipa we talking about 33 million people once am na ka ho enya nipa ba kum ye no bi ana nipa no so ye se ye kwa ye ka se ye studies ye kwa bonten no enya ne ye chase ye kwa bonten ne even as at the time kra no ana lockdown ya de nyina wo kra that time nyina na man fokodum people in the market Central market ya juma Accra makola ya juma Tamale maga na nipa wodwom ejade e wo se ka je ye ho ne se ye be ya hwe ye ne ya boa ne yatimi akonsa ya rewe na timi akọ because they say ye be ka jo se okay covid na aba kona ko se dem a una be the same person ba be ka se na okoye na
but social distance in protocol here can more politicians
just keep it up.
I mean look at the amoye no krom a the debts ahodo you organize them
the debts my no the markets were operating we not operating
but they were
nobody was observing the protocol
I mean the man akwa Central market ko say conference social distancing ho chame dakro chame obuasi kra obuasi ba bia wo free omo yese wo mu ko no matete ni pantem dey na ko bae
and tomorrow some team
and what is the no yenhwe ne yentutu ya hofo ne nya se de bia ya portion blame ne ade anybody don bo abonten yen kosu ntu omufo na we to mu baso ya momode say no masks no dodo no ye betimi ache bia ma wo mu as many as we can yen chema wo mu mra no mu so ma me de o mu ma beboa na bibia nkoso e ma emeji say yen say beboa and management of covid no meji say NDC for no wo mu problem wo mu problem wo mu won say ye wo Ghana ha and Omukwati Ekobia a friend of rapid COVID response team. Last meeting at Abe. They have no idea of idea koso. And honestly, a coach team. Omu team no muti anyway. Papa from team Nini Panabako. So be a win interview and say COVID never my day. Ugo bisa omo say yeah the advice come out by. Now say now what coach team ever yejumano. Obi and o ma me yejumano ma. Obi na me yejumano ma. Makwati fankoba se mi team ma plan se mi di be yeduma na ma fe ma ban ma be ka che papa se be kona me be advice o se di obesi aye fankoba na ma me obu ni bibia ka every time COVID buy ye day one no mu start ya se akizu aban no and abana anya ni sei and away yen sei and ventilators ni ho and away ni ho and I maybe could do 2 weeks continuous and a PP e go say PP and abana pa PP go and a PP singing how be the ko wi ase no ye wo krom ha wo go no garments no na ade a wo mu nose mask ni overall ni hospital no ni na ye wo ha
because mama
ko na o misra why did Jimmy say me kaza so ase no anko ko efa what I say you know sa PP na PP na Muhammad ko fa PP aba na Muhammad PP asa o mo kika PP sa wi abedo mu wi ya na o mo tiesim na ya France kan ko ma we e bia na obeta dem akaye o the bia o person find fault with ade ekoso but what you say o kaza nyeye on che kra ye tua rent waso and tro as of the day say ye dey awono because I could in mojam bokro ba ko pe ene aban no tua rent mo bia bo say Uber was in COVID management, His Excellency number 1. 1 year, Jumano, I'm a young son for so, and here tears this year, one Gaza studio, 50% to become out. 50% come out. Any day here. Electricity. 50% come out. 2 years
only for lifeline consumers.
1 year 50% to come out. 1 year
for lifeline consumers. But the fact is that for the lifeline consumers, for a insure they will not say insurance free. and no but for let it there for only by 3 months from April to May. So from April to
but so we are telling the we argument there me tell say ya ma be 50% no and I make 50%
any problem.
And then I make come as
about that time.
But it's no be okra and there's a more making savings. Mo say me any mukra ya say na mo be no ko into about 17 million as a bibisa. Na say about yeah mama kasa papa kwase say kwade men to say no mu tua be 17 million fe one kasa ko mo office on ko hwe and I can say, you bet me a catch yourself about half, no, 7 million. 7 million, no, 7 million, no, near my Bosumi and Sakra, over 70 million times 3, 210. Who was all the plenty fury? I can't tell to insurance. I make us a park of her. The idea of the bottom line in another say, one would do so, another station, and then come there. The whole Ghana radio stations are benefited from Abawi Kasiepa. I tell you, says can come over go to and then I become a country one multimedia baby. I told you, and so I work as a dear man free. Now go to what I bear. What I don't know, besides your mamma say, someone near the Dunsubuno, Satam near top of your track and your cacoso. That man pan at your mamma Becacano passe. Someone to a canama mentino your chemo for the amount. Busano Muka, at him what drink, Satam no mutuko 59%. Satam no mko 59%. Wabana kania yenso. Mama bekate say, wo pese wo nya kania de ayede. Tua mo. Sa no bekate ene wo ya ba, awoncha ba, aba wo ya yentotoye, ya ya boasa amafo benye ska kakra de ayedwuma. Say ska wo ya kanyina no. Revolving. Enya ni pani nyina na betimi anya bi the same time. Enti na yesa busia kakra na de ama. Enti wo gi a na se wo de ye wadwuma kakra na aba betua. Na konzi chenso akogivi. Na ye wie na etwetwa.
Obi John Muhammad Solomon
na se John Muhammad de wo ka zo di na chi a. Wo di na chi akosi san. O ka jo so de one time premium ba. O de buy. One time premium. Tama na nipa yare. Ana health insurance kwa wo kura no wo kon 1.2 billion eno jate wo watimi atua eno kura na yeska yetwitwa to wo onu ankasa be ka je se utua one time utua bio busa to ba yo mo bo e to ba be ka je eno dem ha neze ade a wo kan de nim anema bia John be ka bia no e ya dada because we didn't trust be ka ne 3 years later say ye just 20 years ene onu ankasa say it has come to stay ne ba me ye ni ye ne ba me say o ya ntro mamuntie no
mame komra communications director de ma MPP Ewa Shantrejina Motie ne kan pay Success Institute of Professional Studies and Aviation College is here there you know you say a lot of expansion works over the various airport Ghana ha intend be a Kumasi Accra ni ada the direct flight just say international airport is a land this is some time what you say just now if you have the edge and so well so say that we adwuma play more opeso by cabin crew and as a flight attendance course there and one says yam said the Success Institute of Professional Studies and Aviation College aba omo ye cabin crew and flight attendant course omo say passenger handling and customer care service sounds omo ye air ticketing and reservation in course Success Institute of Professional Studies and Aviation College it be dey san pay no be kesa no wan rose sia obu ho no je da plane ko ba nyino person so ja kwa no gina mu bi e ma tiantia we especially slim gas take this advantage and to call a Success Institute of Professional Studies and Aviation College and pay ya enroll sia cabin crew and flight attendants sounds on passenger handling and customer and afi air ticketing and reservation ya 30% scholarship student am betumi enroll now up to 24th of November 2020 na no ya the attachment to the a lot of employment opportunity now what demand nti bomodian so be hwe akire kwan ewo asokwa ye ben Pentecost Makion Temple ehona eye Success Institute of Professional Studies and Aviation College yo eno asa wo frɛ wo 0592 407 213 the 0592 407 213 and 0554 322 923 the 0554 322 923 from Sisiano Peya na eja onso yekase gay or yadwuma e wo play mu na wanenje as for the Europe up with the other issues comparative analysis of Mahama Nasibi the Joe Biden US election yenfa copy Ghana since 1992 if any impact Ghana so as here the same communication assessor Donald Trump went to me and 8 years and therefore but in yenfa for be person of any other business
because of development say chairman beka
yeah okay
so I'll just concentrate on this and I am going pass MPP4 backtracking
far
from US Ghana politics said since 92 said sifa kona normal backtrack to the extent said the information minister Babon Tiabeka say there are no similarities between US and then Ghana elections on one instance Democrats or power NDC no power on one instance under the fourth republic Republicans were power NMPP no power
yeah
but who saw mu coffee enti or person or can be bia ebeba MPP for supporters na ba mumbu but yes social media there in through mama for asem we
social media mum
internet
because social media because social media there
look mama can say flashback this is Ghana web this is dated Saturday 7th November 20 this is dated Saturday 2020 but a flashback news
okay
Ghana web you so in 2016 we say Nana Akufo-Addo na da ho Nana Akufo-Addo say caption in you change is coming Trump has prepared the way for MPP. Now we read the first paragraph. Was say in 2016, ahead of Ghana's poll in December, the then opposition party drew motivation from the win of U.S. Republican candidate Donald Trump, who had beaten his opponent Hillary Clinton and shocked the narrative as the Democrats were the incumbent party in power. Director for communication for the MPP, Nana Akufo-Addo, asserted that the party will win since the Republicans had won the U.S. election.
And
of course. So if today Donald Trump now Nana Dubai alusu na Democrats asaba power eye loto atwa we yen weke yenya ho hwe loto banker say MPP ni Nana do opposition simple
in she right
we Nana Akufo-Addo den no your boss onu kra de di ye be kwa akoto no was say ye Trump awe ne de kia ne ken Nana do be we ne
but of factors are US for the two urban factors again
factors ni bebrebe ye similar Trump was accused of family and friends nepotism meboa ka tem say meboa nepotism near the worst ayina Nana do ye okruma Trump is a nepotistic president. One of the key reasons I do impeachment no person would near the impeachment was the appointment of the family and friends cronies in his government. Nana do has about 52 of family and friends under this administration. Left, right, center, making businesses. First card left, right, center. COVID sika cry, yeah, fund cry, yeah, no asandi ni nebusi ni mame so for ya kufu, and I got to COVID fund nano. Obia, what the Chief Justice, I call retirement. Yes, Ghana for one crown press or Mudisika bois. Yes, it's half for two so. Yes, so for ya kufu, mame so for ya kufu, as I go says he cannot. As so, at the Bonabenia, Nada Kufu Abusia for Kwanako school Kruma. And two personalities in a binono. Under Trump or promote white supremacy. So we are aware. Say white, no more America for the black Americans, and no more free Chrome Wankasa, but even though they are citizens, Meboa, making racist comments, Meboa, of red black scrolls, the shit hole. Yeah, shit hole. The same thing another do ye. Atimabua supremacy. Atimabua supremacy.
No, I think you're bringing trouble.
And that's tribal. We are
sentiment into this.
But the Trump we are not tribalism.
But I mean the Trump.
No, we will say men draw the similarities. I'm not
John. I'm not. You said
and the Kroma, Monsieur and the Kroma. Opa kasema menka opa kasema menka obia nu say under this current regime even within the MPP NPP panifonya no musia they say they are for J party ni de ni o yi kwa atem even within the MPP it is said na Trump promote white supremacy no Nana do so promote atem supremacy are you aware neba are you aware say papa are you aware say ye bebubu dan mako 500 e dey expand o His palace. Papa, I aware. See a bubu dan 500. Our
chebi e de si wote hene ahin
no but that is the personally
I am the personal
no please
uti to man e de GMPC ka uti to man e de GMPC ka e ko mo change so funding and be
no asafoje
but for the fact say
asafoje no to be frank and sincere no tell me
these are statements of fact which are very fireable
but these are atem ahin
but the point I am who the tie
has nothing to do with my politics
tie the make can say a mere coincidence say under this okay group bi o mo ba bonte make say Joma ma ko kan achim saka wa boys o me demonstration okay say group no the same group and a press conference say omo tia say ohene ni bubu dan 500
it is up to them
so I'm only repeating it. I'm only repeating what is a fact. I am not creating anything here. But for the fact that Nanado na president GMPC ka be mo chine for anniversary.
But you want to support it.
And I'm saying, but for the fact that Nanado president be man
traditional council for
them be free war. Trump buy US never di ko border so nim so ma so soldier for koguo. Aye so time. Near the same thing Nanado aye wo Ghana di Togo border so. Say na the Votarians ye Togo for. I'm using Votarians ye Togo for the same thing. Trump buy our party Supreme Court were weakening US four institutions baby. Thinking say Kolusu and Oko. And Abu Abono. And then the whole world is celebrating the defeat of Trump. On my last one, is it a coincidence? Joe Biden, Kamala Oba, first vice president. Female vice president. John Mahama Mami Professor Jinano Kukwadmai. Clear when Joe Biden the Oba VIP, John Mahama the Oba VIP. What you say? Masatro Subabe Donald Trump Subaya and another Wobi. So how they make COVID fight say or in the politics. You know, say one of the key reasons why Omatu about here Donald Trump. So the COVID play politics said another way. That is said Nanado, the party for you be no chin, but our papa no said I'm yatu. Oh, be also both and radio can also both. Because I don't so what I don't agree with that. My last point I'm this. My last point since 1992, Democrats win this section. Now NDC are winning. Democrats lose section. Now NDC lose. The America what you say? And Joma ma lusu ye Republic Democrats lusu ye meboa. Mitio. Et is another one Trump ne ba ya. Na say na Trump anim guase say potoa. Adansi dia bia point say. Dia to Trump ne bi na beto na he papa me see form. Me e frame the political prophet.
Political prophet.
Yes, me di ba ko ndisi for the frame no.
First for mommy.
Me catch the way Donald Trump the party for be crowd to Tiano. For the first time, the strongest hope, Omudi and Nibre and you before to Tiano. Same will happen. I'm telling you, sir, when key card bearing members of the MPP, what another MPP na teacher pansa menya papa. Na do MPP we now dear ni mu no. And I say anya part MPP who ya na do na the people for more down nya no ni o. Se so more dear ni yes.
Mama komra. Cause it about me ni nkomo ye yen so na yen.
That's it pa. Me jiri say JJ Rollins what wa. De bia na wo wisunity. Se me NDC penny. Na kwa kromfo ya beja seni
no Debbie no we are on air and of course any some of this commenting you know as of your kind of draw his attention no Debbie
and that discussion you crowd
Ote dem a work as MPP party na nya dia kofo no ye ni na na do party abete ti apansa
similar comments but don't
my didi John
no papa so first statement it's not fair
we can na no say and this we no there John abete ti no and what you want say say no and oguzo say no because he has nothing to lose. Ono oba ya na ndisi na abene e na obewura mu a wode na musa abedi MP abedi emu friends deputy minister na ade yo mama no onfa ndisi no ho wa mu dida no na me start ya na me busa say na yene ne ma wa ya was ma me musa onfa ho say baby Adrian no dia ka ne say obeba no obese no more no ko ne baby na me gidi so mo ya this from mapa no mo nyina hu ademe na babe nanka say we say onim say obetimi awe ni a enko me contest no onye winnable candidate onye obi obewene and onye obi obetimi adi NDC party nanim contradictions galore enana da ha ocha no akoka we enana da ha ocha na akoka we me gidi say ye nyina na ya ne da ho na ya hwe say de adeka na wo obi nu na obi ye ne fo ya na de document fitire wo bubu we say wo pefo ni bi adi Why idea? Maybe this idea was a time crowd as if horses were horses, beggars will ride them. They come on Corona Cabin side, Oboa, they say baby fat and I got baby trap. So Mamma Nakas or Betuna Bamanado. One more one is worry. I do my way in or cook that Ben watching me a Becker social intervention policy back home. Mumu said John Muhammad said, oh my one social intervention policy or the Abba to me a Wagana for. And one so could free community day, money. What I say, I know what Kazan so no, but it is a one no Dibia Kabu, was in another family and friends and daddy. Omo Muma Yabuaje can see you. It's true, we want to Mama Papeti. On time, Mama Papeti. Show me. President on who was a family and friends, no. One who be one never for Kaza, Uramufati and it was so. Obewone nana JB Dankoti was so. Obewone papa or then a preke wono. Niti was me answer from the family. The family and friends na boy my Ghana. Other than Awusu family and friends. Were they not family and friends? I know people were they not in the same family. UDCC. There's other freedom UDCC. Oh me pato UDCC. Me pato. Asoma me kan me ntiti bibia. The American say Ghana. Asaje fu Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na
US election, you won't know the comparison. US election,
let them think about that. Mama come and they make canon say. See a family and friends are. Ghana yenya sika we atu se no na edu. Ani ya pejam penyifo mako ensiati e de atoso.
Paganti.
Sankofo ensiati e de toso nyam nam de kotoso. E de busa na obi ti a na obi za Muhammad. Wa. Ye kan nyina no ne se. Eni pensian ti na dirty kana ye nyina Ghana ye die ni so. Ya e bi se obotomo a wo de kwakodi banku anope no. Oje tre na eni pa miensa ya busuafo eye nana adoda kwakufu ado ne papa nti edaso ne nana JB Dankwa nti edaso na pa wuli so ti edaso family miensa etino se family and friends a woka na za ta mama papa ti na so a ena ya di pa mama papa ti ya de na ya de ejade a me pese me ka di wie ni nyina ne se enye issue Muba ya no na wo nkofo mu ye intelligent wo family mu a enko mu koye adwuma no bi
no I don't think so
o bebre one for man ruwa wo di deep former president Martin the president kofo busia for mu ye timo nkoso wo ti asantima wo ka wo ti asantima wo a to result no ti aba no president kofo na busia for do mu
discussion na nye face not
president kofo I don't lawyer doctor wo for Dr. Kofo What do you about
don't repeat
it. President no na nado abusuafo no mo Ghana ho omo na nado busuani ba kumpa adwo mama kofa ne se o manage omo one o say na manu bi na ya meka no me ga be ka say na kwazi omo ba ko Satan go yakufu no ni koma no ye nlo ni panyi Satan ga bi o che da ko no ni Ghana ha no ye adwuma nye Satan na friend say friend say na nadum anuanu na na say the family a wo bobodi no mu ni Ghana ha Satan ma de na Mahama wo kwaso wo famu ba ko kra na ye adwuma na de obi aba na ode ne kofo ye adwuma ana say Ghana mra de atwotwa ase ho omo wo mu ye adwuma so omo ye adwuma na me ho ate
Bible say one.
Mo go fa wo mu ba ye. Ana mo be bo ka na de to ho no. Oba ye no wa fa abusafo wo maboa amenne yetimi ayi yansan free IMF fansase. Policy credibility. Wodi en monyam. Ejije woko IMF akọ policy credibility.
In the last submission
party
Donald Trump
wo ma to ma ba wa America wie. Ghana you bet about 7 December. 7 December MPP is winning. They know it. And I'm Dika Kachono, John Dramani Mahama, on one casa, the Coco Mutina Common and another.
Donald Trump American election, Ghana election in this scenario.
Yeah, our Barry now. Ghana has said, Yagna, or Kayan was say. Ghana for the Krobia or Kojiska or the one has no catch say a Krobia and or Komukojiska, Ghana one echo. And on one has after them, I catch a Krobi and my free rent. A Krobay. Nigeria ni blogger now or the batos no say ozo mo pen anado mo fa no mre na mo mefa Buhari
aso bia ni anado ne counter pa mo
wonya
the same thing
wonya kan ya wodam
mame na wase
wona wudwa wanu de che Ghana for Ghana for wanka na mo mamoni na wo na mo toba ya kan ya Trump if wishes were horses beggars will ride them lotto forecasters no anu bi na ore na ma wo onam ketia okuta graphic event what's it me say
okay event ni yes
event ni balance ni ade anu bi na oti atu no beto last week about 70 the counterpart to I don't know one more me mama ande wo bibi kan ko aka woni say and this if one ba kroma e be ka je say wo bu betete manifesto no mu otwi and I'm saying Tibrofintino, Obano Mabechimu, Obujemu, and Omni Bibiaka, who will be big and work. I've been out Donald Trump never. Why she? A week as a pan or here. Let the book from
104.5 for number one Akanin radio station across the original communications director at the Man New Patriotic Party MPP Zanzana Safwa J on a deputy communication officer at the Man NDC Ashanti region. But my info we invent na fienya dia kan fama a power sports on to asem fama me. Yen ya baby a friend mama say wa or car na matumuti ne car ne Honda Civic Saloon 2014 model Kalan A blue na registration number no a DV plate but you tini ye mame pa yenu aba mame sewe se kai nank autom nti ode maka dealer bi afa no ra o se Frank na Frank so nya call edif nkofo se car no mo ne je ho nti onfa car ni nshi omo e wo Brema UGC around Gwai filling station e wo Saturday twa mu ya emra Frank o sei anaso se Frank e de kai meka e Honda Civic 2014 model blue color di kodru wa na manti atwito e wo no so a omoje car no e di dwane koye nti osrem kai tamana e kono na ash ash seat and afi transparent rubber bi so cover one but kana kasa ne color e blue in part into to sesam ansan nyina so bi wa hu Honda Civic a DV plate 2014 model you blue a bomodiama a police for asonte and asaba fre 0243 248428 that's 0243 248428 another free insurance front desk line 03220-83570 03220-83570 and 0243-248428 ma ya mami sewa mami fefefe akokonya ne car Honda Civic na mranti atwetue sika dealer isu agi car nyina edi adwane de akọ abusia momma yemra enua ba mami sewa congratulations kwama nana kwaku ochredako woye asene ahene ewo nimpon 2020 best farmer ewo Josu municipal last Friday eneja ye krano we for in-law said Kusi Apia or Church of Church of God Hospital with Nimpon and Nana Kweku Ochedako Asania Hine Ewo Senimpon Ona Jefia de Tremo ye best farmer Ewo Juso Nyami Inshamunya Kwefunya Mamunina you komaya dear ye say congratulations Komamunina na sekese and Koma Benan Kusi Apia na sekese Zukma Denise Sansona Pauli of course Nana Kwesi Cheba Boy Sansona Safo Jesus Bobama Jumade, Elias Mote, Nana Akweso, NDC Regional Chairman, and so Enka El Studio, Yamia Dumochina, Babasanti Enka, Midiani Papa Nyamike, Kwati the General. Abusujedi Kenya, Yama, PJ Mozano Power Day, Power Force that also. Yako yen fanasi mani pass and kwe yen fanasi from nyame and kwe yen say say nipa ho adwuma sometimes you know fun so betumi aba timu amuche ne bitembe na mate ase na yako yen nim sa adum dum yo chana no pa obesati